In this exercise, we'll introduce the ordinate dimension tools. The top portion of the palette contains Create tools, and the bottom portion contains Modify tools. We'll start with a simple drawing of a plate with several holes. We'll use the horizontal aligned ordinate tool to create the horizontal dimension. We'll start by selecting an origin point, then we'll select each circle center. Our finished ordinate dimension will look like this. We could have also used the horizontal non-aligned ordinate dimension tool to dimension the circle positions. After creating the horizontal dimension, we'll go back and create a vertical dimension. Then we'll use the vertical non-aligned ordinate tool to create a non-aligned dimension. We'll note that we could also create ordinate dimensions along an oblique axis. So let's work with an actual file. We'll open up sample file KCV drawing6.ckd. Let's click on the horizontal ordinate aligned tool. We'll start by indicating the origin for the dimension. We'll use an end-of-entity pick on this corner. Then using center mid, we'll click on each of the circle centers. You can also use the position snap menu. I'm doing this specifically with the universal menu so you see what I'm doing. Notice that the witness lines automatically jog. Now let's pick the vertical ordinate aligned dimension. We'll pick the same origin, and then we'll select each of the circle centers again. And notice again the automatic jogging as we place dimensions. We'll go back and pick up that top left corner. And it's literally that simple. Let's pick the vertical ordinate non-aligned dimension and just throw a few on this right side here, so you can see that you can pull every single dimension, including the origin, and jog it to wherever you want. Sometimes on a busy print you might want to use this. And that's all there is to it. It's relatively simple and easy to use. So let's recap. In this exercise, we introduce the ordinate dimension tools. The top portion of the palette contains Create tools, and the bottom portion contains Modify tools. We started with a simple drawing of a plate with several holes. We used the horizontal aligned ordinate tool to create the horizontal dimension. We started by selecting an origin point, and then we selected each circle center. Our finished ordinate dimension looked like this. We could have also used the horizontal non-aligned ordinate dimension tool to dimension the circle positions. After creating the horizontal dimension, we created a vertical dimension. We used the vertical non-aligned ordinate tool to create a non-aligned dimension on the right side. We noted that we could also create ordinate dimensions along an oblique axis.